శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshit, saying that, O Raja, Bhagavan Sarvabhuteshu Lakshitaha Svatmana Harihi. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the one who is supporting every entity in this entire universe. He is the one who is seeing every act in this entire universe. Tasmat sarvatmana rajan harihi sarvatra sarvada. That is why everyone should be hearing about the glory of Paramatma. Srotavyaha. Everyone should listen to Paramatma's greatness. O Maharaja, that is why everyone should be kirtitavyaha, singing the glory of Paramatma. Everyone should be smartavyaha, remembering and meditating upon glory of Paramatma. O Maharaja, pibantiye bhagavata atmanaha satam kadhamrutam. Everyone should be listening to acharyas and keep enjoying the nectar of Paramatma's glory through the discourses of acharyas and elderly people. If you keep doing like this, your mind and the intellect will be purified. With that, vrajanti tat charana saroruhantikam. One will be able to attain Paramatma's divine lotus feet. O Maharaja, begin with doing seva, service to elderly people, great people, acharyas. Keep listening from them with keen interest, with shraddha. What happens when you start doing that? All that pride, false pride, anger, everything will be under control. And then we will attain Shastra Jnanam. With that, we will start remembering Paramatma with all of our affection. Then the meditation upon Paramatma becomes almost like we are seeing Paramatma. To that extent, to that great visualization, we will be able to reach only by listening to great people, acharyas. With all of our affection, love, devotion, when we keep continuously meditating upon Paramatma, that is what is called Bhakti. Only that Bhakti is the option, is the means for us to attain moksham. O Parikshit Narendra, now I answered your question. What did you ask? You asked, O Maharshi, what an aspirant should be doing before death. That is what is your question. So I answered that question. Now I will continue telling about the people who are not willing to get moksham but willing to get other benefits, other fruits. So, what they should be doing now for them to attain their fruits? Whom should they reach? Whom should they pray to get their own desired fruits? All those details now I will start telling you. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra continuing telling about other things to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.